Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at CTRL-Cairo.com, a site that claims to be your go-to for trendy Egyptian-inspired fashion. From t-shirts to jackets, they promise the kind of pharaoh chic look you never knew you needed. But the big question remains, is it a legit shopping destination or just another digital mirage? Let's break it down before you accidentally spend your grocery money on a pyramid-themed hoodie. On the plus side, the domain has been active since September 2022. In the world of sketchy websites, surviving for 2 years basically makes them a senior citizen, which adds a bit of much-needed credibility. They also boast a massive social media following, with over 99,000 people on Instagram. That's a lot of followers, assuming they aren't all just bots waiting for a software update. Unlike those mysterious ghost shops that vanish when you have a problem, they actually provide a phone number, a physical address, and have a known founder named Youssef Soccer. It's always refreshing when a company has a real human in charge instead of a mystery AI overlord. However, the reviews are where things get a bit spicy. While many customers love the stylish cuts and quick delivery, the feedback is definitely a mixed bag. The main villain here appears to be a very strict no-refund policy, especially when it comes to sizing issues. Their return policy is apparently stricter than a librarian with a headache. If that jacket doesn't fit, congratulations, you've just bought a very expensive gift for a smaller friend. So, what's the final verdict? CTRL-Cairo.com is legit, but it comes with a side of caution. It's a real store with real products, but their rigid stance on returns means you're basically playing fashion roulette. Our advice is to start with a small order and triple-check those size charts like your life depends on it. Unless you enjoy gambling more than dressing well, play it safe. Thanks for watching until the end. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more honest updates on the wild world of online shopping.